Hello friends. The title for this lesson is Celebration. You may be wondering why we have chosen this as the topic for this lesson. Let me give you a brief explanation. This is our lesson number 100. And the CADRRE team is celebrating. How do you think we celebrated? We visited the Raj Bhavan to meet our governor, the governor of Kerala. Our governor's name is Arif Mohammed Khan. The CADRRE team met him and discussed and explained about our work, as you can see in the photos here. We showed our governor CADRRE's ISL videos and explained the different lessons. And he launched lesson number 100 and expressed his support. And then we also taught him some Indian Sign Language. Take a look. Hello everybody. I support CADRRE's initiative to make Indian Sign Language videos accessible to all and make India inclusive for all. Thank you. Let us now look at the director of CADRRE, Mr. G. Vijaya Raghavan. This is his sign name. He is going to give a brief introduction and objectives of CADRRE.
We are extremely happy that the Honorable Governor of Kerala, Shri Arif Mohammed Khan, is with us as we launch the Indian Sign Language video classes to the public at large. I think it would be appropriate for me to briefly tell you about CADRRE. CADRRE, the Center for Autism and Other Disabilities Rehabilitation, Research and Education, has been set up as a not-for-profit organization with the vision to transform the lives of people with autism through best practice principles and family-centered holistic care across their lifespan. We opened the doors to children with autism in September 2017, offering an intervention program in a school setting to an interdisciplinary team of speech-language pathologists, occupational therapists, psychologists, educators, art and music teachers, a pediatrician, and an Ayurvedic physician. In these 3 years, we have done over 300 assessments free of cost and have been able to highly impact in a very positive manner over 50 plus families who have a child on the autism spectrum. As a pioneer institution in the area of autism, we have always been focused on choosing and collating the best practices followed from all over the world. Since no two individuals on the spectrum are alike, we keep an open mind towards interventions and practices that might not be effective to all children, but can have a big impact on some children or even one child. Many autistic individuals have some difficulties or delays with communication and speech. This can be on because of the spectrum being from mild to severe. But some people with autism may not ever speak. As many as 40% of children with ASD are non-verbal. But with use of some functional sign language that would be able to communicate their basic needs, and their lives can become much more easier. We saw that some children at the CADRRE Autism School benefit a great deal from when they were taught Indian Sign Language. And that is when we decided to teach Indian Sign Language as a video tutorial to make it accessible to the general public free of cost. This series was launched on the 23rd of September 2020 on International Day for Sign Languages. Though we started this video series with parents of children on the autism spectrum, these are lessons that are helpful to anyone who wishes to learn Indian Sign Language. There are 5 to 10-minute videos that are uploaded on CADRRE's YouTube channel every Monday through Friday, except on holidays. Signs being introduced are illustrated with videos or static images to retain the interest of young children. The videos have subtitles and voiceover. We have covered many topics, starting from basic functional signs of Indian Sign Language, vocabulary on various topics of everyday usage, be it commands, action words, basic grammar, basic words on different places, classroom vocabulary, fruits, vegetables, sports, nature-related signs. We also cover topics like COVID-19 guidelines and celebrate special days like Christmas, Republic Day, Pongal, Valentine's Day, Onam, etc. This is our 100th lesson. These videos are helpful for all individuals alike, as it can help you interact with any individual with communication disorders. If learning new signs can help bridge the gap and help us open our ears to the deaf or a person who is struggling to express what they have in their mind, wouldn't it be the right thing to do? If you are new to this channel, please do watch the rest of the videos to have a better understanding of the series and also to learn Indian Sign Language. Let us together build a more inclusive India. Thank you.
All the videos that we have been releasing all this time is done by a team of people. Now we will introduce them. First, Parvati R. This is her sign name P. She is an art teacher teaching art to the children with autism at the CADRRE school. And her role in these videos is teaching sign language. She is deaf. This person's name is Lakshmi R. Her sign name is L. She is an art teacher at CADRRE school. In our Indian Sign Language videos, she is a sign language teacher. This is Dr. Renuka VN. This is her sign name. She is the technical advisor for our video productions at CADRRE. She manages the sign language technology aspects, the voicing over, and works along with the team. She is a professional sign language interpreter, so she facilitates communication between the deaf and the hearing in the team. This is Malini G. Unnitan. This is her sign name with M. Malini is the center coordinator at CADRRE and conceptualized this series of Indian Sign Language tutorials. This is Lakshmi Nair, and this is her sign name with an L. She is an advisory member at CADRRE. She is the one who lends her voice to the videos. Here we have Rathika, S.B. Rathika's sign name is Flowing Hair. She is our communications executive at CADRRE and is the creative editor and puts all the elements of the video together to give us the finished product. Here we have Nandita, N.K. Nandita's sign name is N and Art. Nandita is an art teacher at CADRRE. For the videos, she helps with the artwork, creating illustrations according to the words and signs and titles, and she also assists with creating the thumbnails for our YouTube uploads. This is the CADRRE team that has been working on producing these videos. We are so happy to have been working together, meeting and learning. We have gained a lot of experience. We are so happy for it. Thank you all so very much for your support. We are so happy to have been teaching Indian Sign Language lessons on different topics. We hope that you have all benefited from these videos. We will see you again soon. Bye-bye.